Want to program a new key fob for your 2019-2021 Chevy Trax? It's surprisingly easy and doesn't require a trip to the dealership. This method uses your Trax's body control module, BCM, and immobilizer system to pair the fob. First, ensure you have a working ignition key. Sit in the driver's seat, close all doors, and keep the windows up to avoid interference. Then, insert the ignition key and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Leave it for 3 seconds, turn it back to off, and remove the key. Repeat this entire cycle 3 to 4 times until your car horn honks. This indicates you've entered programming mode. Now you're ready to pair your fob. Once in programming mode, press and hold the lock button on the new fob for 1 second, then release. Repeat for the unlock button if desired. The horn should honk again, confirming the pairing. Test the fob by locking and unlocking the doors. If it works, great, you've saved time and money. If not, repeat the ignition cycle. About 10 to 15% of owners face issues due to faulty fobs or BCM glitches. If problems persist, a dealership visit for a BCM reset may be needed. Also, ensure your fob battery is new. Most issues stem from dead batteries. Remember, while future cars might use digital keys, your Trax uses this simple, reliable method.